Hello everyone friends, today on the channel I'll show you how to fix an error where Roblox won't update. First, try going to Windows Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, and type in Roblox. Now go ahead and uninstall it and reinstall it. There, it's uninstalled. Open your browser and type in Roblox. Pick any game. Let's try this one. Click play. Click open client. Now, if it doesn't open for you, you can click the play button again, right? And then click cancel. Most likely nothing will happen. There, and it'll either launch or start installing itself. Next thing you can try is checking for Windows updates. To do this, go to Settings, Windows Update, and check for updates to get the latest version. If that doesn't help, then type Run in the Start menu, type %temp%. Oops, I accidentally hit Enter, like this, then click OK. Now delete all the files from here. There. And click Delete. Done. If that doesn't work, you can try running Roblox from the Microsoft Store. To do this, type Store and open the Microsoft Store. Type in Roblox Studio here. Oh wait, we just need Roblox. So here we have Roblox for Windows, and you just install it. That's all. This was Weber. Like and subscribe to the channel. See you everyone.